Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to take you along with me to run some errands. Primarily, we're going into Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to stop into Five Below or not today. I need to wash my car. I know I do most of this stuff on my vlog channel, but I thought I'd make it a little bit more homey today and just kind of like chill. So we're going to walk into this Dollar Tree. Probably going to do a little small haul. I've already been to a second Dollar Tree and I already filmed that. I just forgot to film an intro, so that's gonna probably come second to this store, but it was actually the first store I went to. That's confusing. Why even say any of that? But yeah, let's just kind of see where this video takes us. But I definitely am trying to get into Dollar Trees now. I'm looking for some vitamin C serum, plus I'm just kind of like trying to see what they're doing for Christmas, because I know this is when it's dropping. And, you know, we all know how fast things go at Dollar Trees. So let's go in and see what this store has. Also, I'm dressed like it's pure winter and it's like 80 degrees out here. What am I doing? See? He's like, what are you wearing? That's what he just said. For real. I will say that the #1 shoppers I always see at Dollar Tree are there for birthday stuff. Do you know the rest of the gems that are in the store besides balloons? See what I mean? Looky here, folks. Looky here. Oh my God. Wait a damn minute. Okay. We're getting these. We're hitting these two, for sure. I'm sorry, but how precious is this? I'm slightly overwhelmed. Right now, I'm just kind of like letting my eyeballs see everything. What? Yeah, we're getting that. Wait. Oh my God. They also have it in this version here, which is so cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, is this $1? Oh no, I was gonna say. It felt too heavy for $1.25, you know what I mean? These are really cute. Be great for junk journaling, actually. I thought these were like banned. Who remembers that? These little slut bracelets. I'm sorry. What? Okay, we're getting that. They also have a Christmas tree, which is really cute, and a snowman. Also, they just came on the speaker and said that the internet is down and that you can only pay with cash. Thank God I have some on me, because I'm telling you, I wasn't going to leave till that internet came back up. I'm telling you that right now. See? Look, I said this in the last store. See what I mean? Now they've made it a bonus item when they once sold it for $1.25 for that huge bottle. Alright, I'm just trying to find some really cute books today. I don't really know exactly, just, you know, kind of what catches my eye, I guess. Sometimes it's so hard to like go through all this because it's such a mess. What is this one? That's cute. Definitely gonna get this one. gosh, I don't have this one. Oh, that is really cute. Definitely gotta get this one. Right there. That's interesting. It's like fabric. This is actually cute. Let's get a sheet of that. These little iron-on transfers. So darling. These would be cute for junk journaling too, actually. Ooh, that one has like mermaid scales. And cute. Wait, do I have this one? I gotta get that. Trying to see if they have any more of that graph paper, but I'm not seeing it. Got these little notepads, legal pads, which I have. I love these. Love, love, love those for junk journaling. Wait, this is... Okay. I'm not seeing the graph paper anymore. See, this is why. You just never know when things are gonna come back in stock. And graph paper is like rarely at Dollar Tree. So it's definitely a rare find. I feel like I need pens, but we all know I in fact do not. So I'm gonna just turn my little head this way. Look, you can make your own little tote bags, which is really cute. I can design it. So adorable. The hair stuff has not been giving, I guess you could say, in today's terms. I'm also noticing my stores seem very depleted, almost like they're waiting for a truck. I don't really know. I don't know if anyone else is having that same experience at their Dollar Trees, but I'm just not seeing anything that's like grabbing me. Ooh, these are cute. Now that is adorable. Even if you didn't want to put it in your hair, these would be really cute for junk journaling. Yeah, that's precious. Let me get that. Look at this little faux leather bag. That's cute. You could even just like use it to like create, you know, storage in your car. Like put little things in there and then like tuck it away. Well, they have it in this color too. This scarf for 4th of July has been here for as long as I can remember. It's been here for like 4 4th of Julys. These little bags too are great for organization, even to take to the beach and use them for your wet bathing suits. Put sunblock and stuff in here. I love those. This tote bag is interesting. It's like a canvas. Oh, I wouldn't know about this experience. Did you? Did you say yes? Good for you. Okay, these are definitely looking new to me. Green apple, lemonade. I think I've seen classic red and I feel like I've seen watermelon, but these two are definitely looking new to me. Where are my favorite mints? Because let me tell you, from this aisle, these are my favorite right here. You get yourself a pack of these. They're everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a pack because I just ran out. Now you already know this is one of my top favorite Dollar Tree items. If you don't know why, I'm gonna link one of my junk journaling videos down below and you can see it. All right, I actually need one of these, so I'm gonna get those, and I need cleaning products today, so we're gonna get all of that as well, because, you know, I need to just, if you think about it, no, you're fine. I need to restock all of my kitchen cleaner stuff, because I moved and I didn't bring any of that with me. Sometimes it just takes me forever to go through a Dollar Tree. It really does. You know what? I need some of this. I left my huge bottles in Florida that I found from Dollar Tree that they no longer put out for $1.25, by the way. Yeah. So now I gotta get the little freaking bottle. I need to calm down. Whenever I talk about Florida, I need to calm down. See, I've never seen these shelves really this bare, and yet somehow I still have a cart full of stuff. I want to go check out this section back here, which is where people usually are. Alright, let's go into PopShelf. I don't think I'm gonna go to Five Below. I'm just gonna go in here because I drove by and I saw Christmas stuff in the window, so couldn't help myself. See? What? Okay, what is this? How cute is that? Oh, pineapple. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh my god. I have this one. Oh, I love these. $3. Like what? I have these. This is really cute too.